This feature will allow you to generate a download which will enable you to create a label for recipes that you have created using Bidfood Direct My Recipes. To get started, log into Bidfood Direct and go to My Recipes. View the recipe you would like to generate a download for, click Download, and then click Label. You will now be taken through a series of pop-up windows and warning messages before generating the download for your label. The first pop-up screen is the label disclaimer. Please read this carefully and then click Accept to proceed or cancel. We've included a link to the Food Standard Agency's technical guidance, which provides information on how to produce compliant labels for pre-packed for direct sale foods. After accepting the disclaimer, if you have manual ingredients within your recipe which have incomplete data, for example missing allergens and/or ingredients, then a warning message will be displayed as shown and you will not be able to continue to generate a download. Clicking the OK button will take you to your manual ingredients. Find the ingredient which has missing data and ensure that all allergens have been ticked correctly and that the ingredients list has been completed. Once you have done this, you'll need to go back to your recipe and restart the process. Once you have complete data for all of your manual ingredients, the next pop-up window will provide the dietary profile, which shows the allergen and nutritional profile for the recipe. The purpose of this display is to ensure you view the current status of your recipe's profile before generating a label. If an allergen profile is incomplete, for example an ingredient is no longer available for you to purchase, a warning message will be displayed and you will need to update your recipe with a new ingredient. If the allergen profile is complete, the next pop-up window will display the full ingredients list, as well as the option to add a use-by date. The ingredients list is in sort order of the recipe ingredient with the largest quantity to the ingredients with the smallest quantity. The allergen profile is displayed in the label with allergens capitalised, and the list of ingredients with a state of may contain will always be displayed. If there is insufficient product data to be able to calculate the quantity per recipe portion, this is what the pop-up will display. You can see it highlights the list of products under the ingredients to show which ingredients are included in the recipe which have an unknown quantity. Once you are happy, click OK to preview the label. This pop-up shows the content that will display in the download file, along with statements confirming your responsibilities before downloading the label file. Click on Download and then open the file in a Word editing program. We'd suggest using Microsoft Word. You can also print straight to your Daymark printer. Check that all of the allergens have been emphasised in order to be fully compliant, and then highlight and copy the text you wish to be displayed on your label. From the top bar, click on Mailings, and then click Labels. Place your cursor in the address box and paste your text into the box. From here you can edit the content. You may wish to edit long product descriptions or bold the allergens. Once you have made all of the required edits, click Options and then Label Vendors. Select your label type and product number. Now choose how you would like to print your label. You can select for a full page of the same label or just a single label. Click on New Document. You will now see the document with your label or labels. Click Select All and then change the font size to meet the PPDS label requirements and then click Print. Please refer to the How to Generate a Label Bidfood Direct Guide for further guidance and our Bidfood disclaimer.